Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to add a video background to multiple slides in PowerPoint quickly and easily. First, open PowerPoint on your computer and open the presentation where you want to add the video background. Next, go to the Insert tab at the top and click on Video. For this tutorial, we'll use stock videos, which provides high-quality, pre-made videos to choose from. After selecting your desired video, click Insert. The video will appear on your current slide. Now, click on the video to select it and press Ctrl+X to cut it. Go to the View tab and click Slide Master. This allows you to apply the video to multiple slides efficiently. In the Slide Master view, navigate to the slides where you want the video background. Press Ctrl+V to paste the video. It will now appear across all slides that use that master layout. And that's it. You've successfully added a video background to multiple slides in PowerPoint, giving your presentation a dynamic and modern look. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.